Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to hide columns in Excel Mobile. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. It's pretty easy to hide a column in the mobile version of Excel. For example, let's hide column B. Tap on the letter B to select a column and a context menu appears, with copy, paste and so on buttons. Scroll this menu to the left to the hide button. Now tap on the hide button and column B disappears. And a gray line appeared between the adjacent columns, signaling that there are hidden columns here. To show a hidden column, select any of the neighboring columns, in this case it's A or C, and in the context menu select the Unhide option. Column B has appeared. And if you need to hide several columns at once, then first we select one column, for example column B, and then select the other two. To highlight the columns, drag these dots to the right or left, and then select the hide option in the context menu as in the first case. And that's it. Now you know more.